Persian, also known as Farsi, is a rich and complex language that is spoken by millions of people worldwide. Learning this language can bring many benefits, both personal and professional. In this video, we will highlight the top 5 benefits of learning Persian. Number 1. Cultural understanding. Persian is the official language of Iran and is widely spoken in Afghanistan and Tajikistan. By learning this language, you can gain a deeper understanding of the rich cultural heritage and traditions of these countries. This can enhance your appreciation and respect for their cultures and make it easier for you to communicate with the people of these countries. Number 2. Career opportunities. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the demand for multilingual individuals continues to grow. With its growing global influence, Iran has become an important player in various industries, and having the ability to speak Persian can open up new career opportunities, especially in the field of international business, diplomacy, and academic research. Number 3. Improve cognitive skills. Studies have shown that learning a new language can improve cognitive skills, such as memory, attention, and problem-solving abilities. Furthermore, it can also increase your creativity and cultural awareness, making you more well-rounded and better equipped to face new challenges. Number 4. Access to literature and art. Persian has a rich literary tradition dating back over 1,000 years. By learning this language, you can access a wealth of historical and contemporary literature, as well as other forms of artistic expression, such as music, poetry, and dance. Number 5. Personal growth. Learning a new language can be a rewarding and enriching experience that can help you develop self-confidence, patience, and resilience. It can also broaden your perspective and help you to better understand and appreciate different culture and ways of life. In conclusion, learning Persian can bring a multitude of benefits, from opening up new career opportunities to enhancing your personal and cultural understanding. So, if you are looking for a new challenge and a way to enrich your life, consider learning Persian today. Thanks for watching.